Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to restore photos and videos on any Android device. So first of all you have to click on settings and then you have to scroll down. Here you will see apps, you have to click on it and then you have to scroll down. Here you will see my files or file manager, something like this. You have to click on it and then you have to click on force stop. Click on OK. Now you have to open Play Store. Here you have to type Happy Apps Free and then you will see this application in search result. So you have to download and install this application. This is the best application. You can restore deleted images and videos without root. So you don't have to root your Android device. This application having a very good rating also. After installation you have to open this application and then you have to click on get started and then you have to click on scan. Here you will see two options, scan images, scan videos. So we'll restore our images first. We'll click on scan images. So here you can see the application has started scanning. Once the application will show all the deleted photos, you have to select the photos that you want to restore. You have to select all the images that you want to restore. Click on restore and the application will restore all the photos in your phone gallery. Now you have to go back. To restore your videos you have to click on scan videos and the application will start scanning the deleted videos. And here you can see the application is showing all the deleted videos. You have to select the videos that you want to restore. We'll select this video and then you have to click on restore and then the application will restore the video in your phone gallery. Now we'll go to phone gallery and here you can see the images which we have restored and the video also that we have restored right now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.